A good Sunday to you all traders. How are you doing? Hope you're doing very well. I'm back again. I just dive right into it. AUDJPY. I'm seeing a very beautiful opportunity to trade some bulls. Anyway, looking at that, I've been trying out Daniel FX strategy. I think it's from Malaysia, and the QMC buy and the QMC sell, that strategy. You can look it up on YouTube. You can dive into deep and try to understand it. Anyway, let's see on the line chart what we have here. I'm anticipating that our price is going to go bullish because we already see a QM formation on the daily time frame, which is a very key time frame, and it's happening so strongly on the demand area right over here. This demand area, pardon me, and the demand area where you see my where I see this horizontal line moving. This is a very strategic, key, strong demand area. So I'm anticipating that price is going to go bullish next week. So lowering down on my lower time frame, my behavior time frame, we don't have any QMC buy or QMC sell. So shifting back to candlesticks. So I'm anticipating price to retrace on this major key demand area, and then later on rise all the way up to any major key levels here. If I was you, I'll be targeting this support zone, which became resistance. If price does break through, then I'll also be targeting this other major supply zone. So I'm looking at in this regard, I'm looking at if price does show any signs of bearish sentiment and fails to break through this resistance zone, then you can look for sales down to this lower time, to the previous demand area. If price does maintain its bullish momentum, but then reaches to this previously held supply area, then we shall also still be looking for sales. So these two areas here and right over here are key areas for taking profits. And when I pull out my Fibonacci, I'm anticipating that price would come at least to retest the major retracement level areas of 50 and 61.8 right over here. So once price gives me signals of a bullish sentiment, I'll put in my buys. However, I noticed on other lower time frames, you can risk and take some sales all the way targeting this previous demand area, and you set your take profit, and then you close the bit in area, since it's a very key area of bullish sentiment. So what we shall be looking at is, I suggest, or I would encourage you to place in buy limits or buy stops once price does come back to test this major demand area. Once it does, then you can look for profits for take profits all the way up to major key levels that I've highlighted. So I think I'll be looking at only this. Well, let's see what gold has to offer for us. Well, on gold, I'll switching on to my line chart. I noticed there is a resistance level that we are at right now. Price failed to break through this major level here, and we see resistance right over here. So I'm anticipating that price, switching back to candlesticks, I'm anticipating price, already we can see on this major supply area or my previous supply area, we can see price has created a bearish momentum, broken through and closed with a strong bullish candlestick. So I'm anticipating this support is going to become resistance. So I'm anticipating again that I'm anticipating that price is going to retest. After retesting, then it will look. We have to look out for bearish momentum to the downside. Now this is the daily time frame, but for that to work out perfectly, you can either lower down on your lower time frames, or you can lower down on your lower time frames and start your 1 hour and see what will work for you. But however, for